Definitely gonna need my water because we got a lot to talk about. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Kayla Jukic, and today I am going through a big ALPHALETE haul. When I tell you I am so freaking excited, I am so excited because your girl has been saving her money the past couple of months. I have not bought from ALPHALETE in a hot minute just because I have so much of their clothes. Literally 95% of my gym clothes is ALPHALETE. And with the wedding and stuff, I told myself, girl, you need to chill. You need to save your money. So that's what I did. But they recently just had an October launch and I couldn't hold back. And that is because they released new Amplify colors. Woo. So we're gonna go through that. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I also bought 2 tracksuits from the elmts collection, and I got my husband a few things. So there is gonna be some guys' clothes in this haul. Okay, let's jump into it because I know if you clicked on this video, you are waiting for it. So let's go. Okay, we are starting off strong with just the black Amplify leggings. We're gonna get this out of the way. I was looking in my closet, and you know when you think you have like a lot of black leggings? I thought I did, but I really don't. Like now that it's fall time, I'm always looking to grab a pair of black leggings to go to my office, to go run errands, just because I can't wear shorts. And I don't have anything. And I'm like, how do I not have black Amplify leggings? But anyways, I grabbed myself a pair of them. I am wearing a size small, and the fabric is 51% polyamide, 38% polyester, and 11% elastane. So it's super stretchy. Everything is honestly the same as all the other Amplifies. The waistband is the same. It has that 3-tiered effect. The ALPHALETE logo is printed on the back. For me, because I am 5'8", it does fit me a little bit more cropped just because I like hiking up the leg part, but it's totally cool with me. And personally to me, they are squat proof. I did a squat test right here in my condo, and there's like a huge window. Like my balcony is right behind you guys, so I get a lot of natural light, so I feel like the clip looks super sheer, but they definitely are squat proof. What I will say though about these leggings, and I'm not sure if it's just because it's black or if it's the material, but I find everything sticks to it. Like everything. I have a dog, but like he doesn't shed, he's hypoallergenic, but I just feel like even if I go on the couch, like I'll get off the couch and it's like all woolly and stuff. So that's super weird. I did wash them and I felt like that was gonna help it. Maybe I needed to wash them first, but I'm still noticing it a tiny bit, not as much as when I first got them, but I figured I would kind of just like throw that out there. I don't know. Please comment below if you've been experiencing that or if you have experienced that. I don't know if it's just me or what. But I did also get the rich brown color, which I will talk about next. And I do notice it with this color also, not as much as black, but just a tiny bit. Despite that, I freaking love these leggings. I do not own anything brown whatsoever. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my God, I need to get my hands on that. Again, especially for fall, brown is such a beautiful, rich, vibrant color during fall, and it's definitely something out of my comfort zone and out of my element. I've already worn this color to the gym. Literally the day after I received this package, I was like, yeah, I'm wearing that to the gym. I like brown too because I notice it can go with anything. It can go with black, it can go with white obviously, but also like a light brown or a beige or a tan sports bra, even pink sports bras it could go with. Honestly, even some shades of green I feel like you can mix and match with. Another thing I wanted to know, and again, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like the waistband is a little bit tighter. When I put these on, I will literally like kind of stretch it out a little bit and it will feel good, but when you first put it on, I'm like sucking in, and it's like, why? Like, why is it like that? This past week, I've also been, you know, on my period that time of the month, so maybe because I've been a little extra bloated from that, maybe that's why I was feeling like it, but now we are moving into the shorts. So these are the 4.5-inch Amplify shorts. I got it in 2 colors. Love it. I knew I wanted the rich brown in the leggings and the shorts. I have them on right now because I'm actually going to wear them to the gym after I'm done filming this. I'm going to go do a leg day, but they are literally the exact same as the leggings. So it has the 3-tier waistband. It has the ALPHALETE logo stitched in on the back. I actually find myself hiking these up a little bit just because I like shorter shorts. It has the scrunch booty that makes your glutes look phenomenal. And again, these definitely are squat proof, but in terms of now natural light, it does look a little bit sheer, so I will put another comparison side by side with how it looks in the gym. I also did get the digital violet, and let me tell you, the color, it is so freaking nice. Like, I honestly don't think the camera does justice. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, but it is so vibrant. I definitely feel like this color should have been launched in the summer. It gives me summer vibes because it's so vibrant. I feel like a lot of people are debating if it has like purple hues or blue hues, but in person it definitely has a little bit of both, but I would say it leans way more on the purple side. These shorts are the exact same material as the leggings, so again, it is 51% polyamide, 38% polyester, and 11% elastane. Now we are moving on to the Elements collection. These tracksuits, I am so obsessed with them. So I previously got this Elements sweater crop hoodie thing, like I want to say a couple of months ago, honestly, and I can't remember at that time if they had the joggers or not. Brain fart, I literally can't remember, but anyways, I didn't buy them even if they did. I just bought the crop sweater, but they just released new crop sweater colors and joggers, and I was like, girl, let's make it a tracksuit, let's make it a matching set. So I did buy the black Elements relaxed joggers. I believe they're called, in a size small. I was a little bit scared because I always have like a hard time finding joggers, again, because fitting my waist and how stretchy I want them in my legs, but these are honestly perfect. So the waistband is super stretchy and it does have a drawstring, so if you do want to size up, you totally can, so that you can have a bigger like pant area and more room, but then you can use the drawstring to make your waist tighter. And one thing that stands out to me versus other brands when it comes to joggers is the drawstring is on the inside, so you can tie it and then hide it, right? Like the drawstring isn't on the front and then hanging down. It's on the inside, so if it's tied, you just see the waistband part, which I feel like is kind of cool. There is 2 pockets on the side of the joggers. The bottom of them are cuffed, which is really nice, so they're gonna stay locked in on your legs. They're not gonna fall down or up or move around or whatever it is. I also really like the cuff link because to me, it just feels like super athletic and it just gives like athletic vibes. And then on the back side of the track pants, you do have the ALPHALETE. It's on like a little plastic, I don't even know, like a tab almost that is sewn in, but like as you can see, my finger can go through it. So I feel like this, I don't know, I'm not sure if I like this because I feel like this is gonna rip off eventually, you know, it might catch onto something or it might come off in the wash. So I'm not crazy about that necessarily. I knew I was gonna like it so much that I bought a second set in a second color, which is mauve. So I got the Elements relaxed joggers in a size small and the Elements crop zip jacket also in a size small. Everything is exactly the same as the black set, but this color is so freaking nice. I knew I wanted to get a second set, but when I was looking at the colors, I wasn't sure, and I was kind of leaning towards the navy blue, but I figured like navy blue, it's so dark, like it's so similar to black that I feel like if I'm gonna get a second set, I should get something of an opposite color. So I'm super glad that I went with the mauve. I wore it to the gym the following day that my package came. I wore the joggers and the crop sweater, and I wore a white sports bra underneath, and literally the moment I walked into the gym, the girl at the front desk was like, wow, I love that tracksuit. And I was like, girl, thanks. Now I am moving into the men's clothes that I bought. So I did buy these for my husband, but there's a little bit of intention behind it because I am going to be stealing these clothes to wear. So they kind of are like mine, but they're his, if you get my drift. So first things first, I got him the Elements hoodie. I bought this for him previously in gray and he loves the sweater. Like, he loves it so much. So when they came up with new colors, I was like, hey, I'm gonna buy another one for him. And I bought the burgundy in a size large because that is what he has in the gray. Now you can see what the size large looks like on me. It is kind of big, but it's super comfortable. If I was gonna actually buy this for myself, I probably would buy a medium, possibly even a small. The large definitely is a little bit big. Like, as you can see, it covers my butt and it's a little bit big on the arms. but I mean, to wear it around the house, I totally still would. I love the sweater because it has a huge pocket in the front, so you know, if you're walking outside and it's cold, you can put your hands in there, you can put your wallet in there, your phone in there, whatever it is. And it is a hoodie, so it does have a very big hood with a little drawstring on it. If you are curious, the material on this sweater is 71.5% cotton, 22.5% polyester, and 6% spandex. So it definitely has stretch to it. Definitely will be stealing this from him. And on that note, the other things that I will be stealing from him are the wolf head t-shirts. I was actually gonna buy these for myself as pump covers, and he was looking on the website and he was like, hey, I really like those shirts. And I was like, oh my God, this is perfect. So I'm gonna buy it for him and I'm gonna steal it. It's honestly a win-win. Truly, it is a win-win. We bought it in 2 colors. Both of them are a size large. So the first one is the white and black one. So as you can see, it says ALPHALETE on the front. It has like a wolf logo, and it's very plain on the backhand side. This fits my husband pretty perfectly. He possibly could have got an extra large. For me personally, in terms of sizing, I actually like the large as a pump cover. So to wear, you know, to the gym and then eventually take it off. Perfect for me. And then the other color we got is the dolphin blue. So honestly, like the main color of the shirt is gray, and then it just has the ALPHALETE in a light blue color, the wolf design in a white color, and again, the back is plain. Now that I'm seeing the shirts in person, I love them, and I wish I bought the opposite black and white where the shirt was black mainly and then the lettering was white. That's really nice, but they are $40 US, so it is a little bit expensive for a t-shirt, but the quality is amazing. But yeah, that is pretty much it. That was my ALPHALETE haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Honestly, I know I did, because like I said, I haven't bought from them in a hot minute. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to give it a big like and comment down below. Or if you have any questions, make sure to leave those down below or send me a DM on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe to me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.